Hey, I want to do different game today. I know, crazy. This is called Star Battles. So, I like to do these for fun. I thought I would just show them the way they work. I'll start off with a small example. So, in this case, we're going to have an 8 by 8 grid. And inside 8 by 8 grid, there's going to be different shapes. So each row and each column has one star, and each shape also has a star. So I'll just show it. And I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work my way up in difficulty. Well, not really difficulty, just like size of the puzzle. So I'll start off with this. See, an 8 by 8 grid, and each row and each column has one star. So, and each shape. So this shape, really easy. There we go. Look at that. First star. Get rid of. Oh yes, other rule. You can't have a star next to another star. So a star can't, for example, be here or here because it's right next to it. So I mark all these squares off. Right. So now I can see that whatever star is in the orange shape will be in one of these two squares. Therefore there'll be no star in these squares. Red would give this row, so that would be like that. The only star that could be in, this row would have to be in blue, or cyan, so none of these cyan squares can have a star. Couldn't be a star here, because then there wouldn't be enough space there. In orange. So you sort of work through it like this, and I've done quite a few, so I sort of, you know, I can recognize certain shapes and know their properties. Let's see. Oh yes, yes. Couldn't be any star in this same row or column. Star here. Could be a star here. Star here then. Couldn't be a star here because there wouldn't be enough blue then. Couldn't be a star here because you'd have a blue and a pink, so these two rows already accounted for. And there you go. That's a star battle puzzle. So yeah, I'm just gonna do an increasing order. So the next one is a 10 by 10. So this is the same as before, but now we're on a 10 by 10 grid. And I'm going to try to be doing these sort of as fast as I can. So that's that. Like that. Let's see. The yellow would have to be in one of those. Red. Blue. Gray. Gray cancels on that. Have a cascading effect. I like that word, cascading. It's a good word. And there you have it. Very nice. Very, very nice. See, much faster. Not enough to get in the top 10, but 6 seconds off, not that bad. I don't usually get in the top 10. So next, now we're going to do 2 stars. So with 2 stars, I mean, it's exactly what it says. Each shape, each row, and each column now has 2 stars instead of 1 stars. This is my favorite size, the 10 by 10 2 star. If I'm just bored, I'll do this. In some sense, that's exactly what's happening right now. Don't worry, I'm never bored when, you know, my audience of whatever would it be right now are watching. Let's see, one, two, three. Okay, so because there's like 4 shapes in these 4 rows, there can't be anything else in from a different shape, right? It wouldn't fit in. So like these 2 shapes account for these 2 rows. These then 4 shapes account for these 4 rows. These 4 account for these 4. It's a nice little thing you can do. Let's see, what else? What else? What else? Can't be a star there. Couldn't do either of those spaces because it would leave not enough left. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3. Hmm. Next one. Next one. Little clue. Next for me to see. Because that's usually what puzzles are. Seeing the right clue at the right time. Know what to do. Okay, this is it. It can't be a star here because you think 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes in these 5 rows. So you still need to account for 2 more stars. One would have to be from the red. One would have to be from one of these 3 spaces. Therefore, that can't be star. And I think that would actually, if there's a star here, star here, star here, that would account for these 2 rows. So it can't be a star here. So there must be a star here, star here. That's done. Star here. Now it's all fitting in. What is it I'm missing now for this last section? Can't be here because if it was here, then you have here and 2 more stars up here, and that's too many stars. You have 2 stars here. Okay. There we go. It's a 10 by 10. What's after 10 by 10? Well, you get the 12 by 12 2-star puzzle. Do that. So, same thing as 10 by 10, just a bit larger, bit, more in depth. Only three shapes, so that's how I knew it couldn't have been in any of these squares. If there was a star in here, there wouldn't be enough stars in these three rows. That was good. That was pretty fast. Ooh, top 10! Then I would be number 5. Be right above Tyke. I would be tied with I can solve puzzles. I can solve puzzles. Be tied for 4th place. We should get an account. I don't have an account. I don't have an account on this website. Let me know if I should get an account. And the last one, 14 by 14. This one is 3 stars now. So every shape, every row, and every column has 3 stars. The ultimate challenge. A lot of it is shape recognition, you know, knowing the different types of shapes that there are. And then once you know them, it's easier. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah. That's one of these has to be a star. Yeah. Let's Okay, I think it's all piecing together now. I think we've just about solved it. Not fully there, but will be. No, technically, yeah, that's true. Okay, just have sort of this upper section to do left. That's that, that. There we go. So that is a star battle puzzle. Unfortunately, didn't get top 10 that time, but that's a star battle puzzle, and hope you enjoyed them.